So y'all call it the Holy Trinity. It's cooking for my stuffing, dressing, whatever y'all want to call it. Hey y'all, so now I'm finally about to start my cornbread. I made the cornbread yesterday, so I'm just gonna sprinkle it in here. I already put my box of stuffing in there at the bottom. Okay, so and then this is just me mixing up a little bit cornbread that the box of cornbread I added. So I'm still waiting for. I had to put my stuff on low because there was a lot going on. Everybody started showing up, so I had to kind of put that on low. Now it's cooking finally. Okay, I'll be back for next steps. Okay, finally ready. So I'm gonna add this one can first.
You did those sausages bad.
I did, didn't I? I did that. Thank you very much. Don't be a hater now.
That's what I said. I'm tired. Thank you. Oh, that's mine.
That's done with love.
Mm-hmm.
All that love I put into that. Don't come this way, please.
I didn't even know it said the world is as amazing as you are. I was so tired. What is that? A bookmark on the what's it called that it came in?
I would have made y'all cousin one if I would have knew she was coming.
It's okay. She probably like, it's okay. Can I just get something from Amazon?
Her always wanting something from Amazon.
Not that
I finally got my book.
Whatever. I finally got my book.
Hey, you better stop talking like that. So I added 1 can of cream of chicken and 1 can of cream of mushroom. I mean cream of celery. This part. Wash my hand again. This part I hate with passion.
My head was hurting.
You about to come this way? Hold on. Whew. So, this season perfect. I don't want to make it too salty. All right. I'll be back for the next step. Okay, so I added 1 egg. And we're just gonna keep stirring until the egg is incorporated in it really, really well. And I tasted to make sure it was seasoned enough before I added the egg. And then I'm gonna add in my Cornish hens and put it in the oven. Oh, looks good. Smells good too. So I was taught how to do this part.
Ooh, that
by
girl
my
gonna
mom.
get murdered. Put her feet on my book.
So, yeah, I am recording, but okay. These kids be in here tripping. Him and his sister always going at it.
It wasn't even her. It was, you know what? It was her cousin. Her cousin did. Not Trey, the older one.
Oh,
She had the nerve to put her feet and toes on my book. My new Spider-Man book.
oh well. I don't know what to tell you about that.
It's enough to make me cry.
I guess.
That's a crime, you know.
Whatever. Okay. So I'm just gonna add the rest of this. Incorporate it in. Oh my God, smells lovely. And then I'm gonna add this Cornish hen here. And then I'm just gonna stick it in the oven. Let me show you guys the view on top. Alright, y'all, so I got it all mixed up. I'm about to throw it in the oven, to cover it up and throw it in the oven. I can't believe that's cooked. That just means it's cooked well. The simple fact that it just came apart like that. I'll be back for the finish. Okay, y'all, so the dressing is finally done. It's looking fabulous. And it smells so good. Oh.